Big breaking news that's coming in of a terror attack at the Stock Exchange building in Karachi. 4 suspects, we understand, are still inside the Pakistan Stock Exchange building. We are trying to get you the latest updates that are coming in, but what we're being told right now is that there are perhaps 4 terrorists inside the building. This is the Stock Exchange in Karachi. No information coming in at this point of casualties, but what we can tell you, and this is information that's being reported by Geo News, which is that there was a grenade attack that took place outside the Pakistan Stock Exchange, and a few people have been injured in the same. Also, what we're picking up at this point is that these terrorists are inside the building at this point. Efforts are on to ensure that everyone is immediately taken to safety. We don't have details on whether people have been taken hostage or how many people are inside the building at this point. This is news just coming in of a terror attack at this point in Karachi. The information that we have is that 4 terrorists are involved. They are inside the building at this point. We're still trying to ascertain what kind of casualty count has been reported, if there have been any injuries. But you see that security has been deployed in huge numbers right now. Efforts are on to ensure that the terrorists are identified and are brought out of the building. And as I pointed out earlier, we are still trying to ascertain whether there were hostages in the building, whether there are people currently inside the stock exchange. This is in Karachi, and even as we're awaiting more details, let me just tell you what Pakistan media outlets are reporting at this point. They are saying that there was a grenade attack that took place outside this building, outside the Pakistan Stock Exchange, and 4 terrorists are involved in this particular attack. They are currently inside the stock exchange. A lot of firing that's also been reported in this area as police on site first tried to, in fact, neutralize the terrorists. So far, what we're told is that they've been unsuccessful. We're still awaiting a word on the latest updates that are coming in on this attack. Very unfortunate news coming in this morning from Pakistan.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.